Introducing Hello Divorce's updated web application, Divorce Navigator 3.0. Divorce in California is complicated, regardless of the level of complexity or conflict in your case. You have to complete over 20 forms and get them filed, served, and processed the right way. These forms are confusing, and procedure is even more frustrating. But you no longer have to hire a lawyer to do this for you. Our proprietary software breaks down the divorce process into bite-sized pieces. It also integrates with Documate, a powerful, secure, easy-to-use form generator. We walk you through a guided interview for each step of divorce. You complete the interviews on our secure server whenever it's convenient for you. Start, save, come back to it, and when you click complete, your divorce forms populate instantaneously, file ready, downloadable, and editable. From there, you can follow our interactive guide to get your documents filed, served, and approved by the court. Or, if you prefer we do it for you, you have that option too with our DIY Plus. Finally, if you want some extra help along the way, you can access a divorce lawyer or mediator through the app for as little as 30 minutes at a time. Best part? Divorce Navigator is available to you at $99. That's your monthly cost, and you can get started for free with the coupon code 7daysfree. To include all the procedural help like filing and serving so you never have to see the inside of the courthouse, upgrade to DIY Plus. This is the future, and you can access it now. Protect your future, save time, money, and more heartache with an online divorce. Join at hellodivorce.com for free and upgrade to DIY Divorce to get started today.